Mrs. Kate's here. Today we're going to play a game called What's My Product or Multiplication Battle. Are you ready? You want to learn how to play this game with me? Okay, so to play our game, we need a deck of cards. So I have a deck of cards right here that we will use to play together. If you want to play this game at home, you can use a deck of cards at home. It doesn't even matter if you're missing some cards. You can play with a partial deck. That's okay. Now, when you get your deck of cards, we've got to do something to get them ready. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out any of the cards that have a face on them. So our jacks, our queens, and our kings all have faces on them. So for this game, we don't need those. We're just going to set those off to the side. If your deck of cards has a joker in it, also set it off to the side because it has a face also. Now, we're going to shuffle up all of our other cards, and I need to tell you about this card right here. Your ace is going to be a 1 in this card game. So anytime we draw an ace, it's going to stand for our 1 because you know there's not a 1 in a regular deck of cards. The ace usually stands for that. So we're going to shuffle them up and we're going to get started. Now, your job, your goal is to be faster than Mrs. Kate's. So I'm going to draw 2 cards. I'm going to hold them up. And whoever can name the product of those 2 cards faster wins that round. Now, I'm curious to know if you can beat me because I have been practicing a little bit for like 30 years. Yeah. Okay, you ready? Ready, set, battle. 7 groups of 6. 7 groups of 6 is 42. Did you beat me? 7 groups of 6 is 42. You know how I knew that? Because I know 7 groups of 5 is 35. So I just have 1 more group of 7. I have 6 groups of 7 instead of 5 groups of 7. So it has to make 42. Did you win? Okay, let's try. Ready, set, battle. 6 groups of 4. 24. 6 groups of 4 is 24. Because 6 groups of 2 is 12. But I had to double it, remember? Double when I have a 4. Because 6 groups of 2, 12. 6 groups of 4, doubled again, 24. Nice. Okay, ready, set, battle. Ooh, this one's always tricky for me. 7 groups of 8. Well, I know 7 groups of 4 is 28. And so if I double, then it has to be 56. Because 28 doubled is 56. Did you beat me on that one? I had to think about that one. Here we go. Ready, set, battle. 7 groups of 2, 14. Did you get it? Yeah. This one would have helped us with the last one we just had to do. Because 7 groups of 2 is 14. 7 groups of 4 is 28. And 7 groups of 8 is 56. Double. Wow. Here we go. Ready, set, battle. 4 groups of 10. 40. Did you get it? Because 10, 40. Just count by 10 4 times, and I've got 40. Cool. Ready, set, battle. 8 groups of 2, or 2 groups of 8. 2 groups of 8, 16. Did you get it? That's another double. Here we go. Ready, set, battle. 9 groups of 10, 90. Did you beat me on that one? Here we go. Because I know 10 groups of 10, that's 100. But I didn't have 10 groups of 10. I only had 9 groups of 10. So take away 10. That's 90. Ready, set, battle. 10 groups of 3, 30. Ooh, I know my 10s. Do you know your 10s? Are you fast at them? Ready, set, battle. 4 groups of 5, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. If I didn't know that one, or I could think about 5 groups of 2, 2 groups of 5, that's 10, but I have to double it. So 10 and 10 more, 20. Ready, set, battle. 6 groups of 3. 18. Because 2 groups of 6 is 12, so I need another group of 6. That has to make 18. Ready, set, battle. 9 groups of 2. 18. Because 9 times 9, or 9 plus 9, 18, right? Ready, set, battle. 5 groups of 1. 5. Super easy, right? This is that identity property. In multiplication, anytime I multiply by 1, then I have the same number I started with. 5 groups of 1 or 1 group of 5. It makes 5. Here we go. Ready, set, battle. 2 groups of 1. 2. There's that identity property again. I love that property. It makes this math so much easier. Ready, set, battle. 4 groups of 8. Ooh, tricky. 4 groups of 8. I know 8 groups of 2, 16, so I have to double it again. 16 and 16 is 32. Did you beat me? Let's go. Ready, set, battle. 8 groups of 3. Well, 8 groups of 2 is 16, so one more group of 8 is 24. Did you beat me? 8 groups of 3 is 24. Here we go. Oh, we're almost out of cards. Ready, set, battle. 5 groups of 1. 5. Identity property. Love you, identity property. Ready, set, battle. 9 groups of 5. Ooh. 5 groups of 10 is 50. Take away a group of 5. 45. 9 groups of 5 is 45. Did you see how I used that 10 to help me with that 9? So helpful. Ready, set, battle. 9 groups of 6. I can do the same thing. 9 groups, or 6 groups of 10 is 60. Take away 6. 54. 9 groups of 6 is 54. Here we go. Ready, set, battle. 10 groups of 7. 70. Love those 10s. Last one. Ready, set, battle. 3 groups of 1. 3. 3 groups of 1 is 3. Identity property, because anytime I multiply by 1, I have my same factor. I have 3. That first factor that I had. So we played. I think I did pretty good. How'd you do? Did you beat me? Did you get them faster than Mrs. Kate's got them? Oh, you know what? If you won, I'm okay with that because that tells me you're getting really good at your multiplication facts. And I know when you're really good at those, it's going to make all the math after so much easier. So I can be okay with you beating me on this, okay? Now, at home, remember, if you have a deck of cards, you can play with anybody at your house. See if you can, or if you're faster than some of your family members at home. See if every time you play, you can get a little faster. That would be awesome. And while you're playing, if you get to one that's kind of tricky, like maybe 8 groups of 7, like we did today, is there a fact I know that can help me with that fact that maybe I'm not so fast with yet? And then talk to your family members about how you figured it out, because it's pretty cool when your brain can use a lot of good strategies like that. Okay, so until we play again, talk to you later. Bye.